Good afternoon, myself Pinky Chawla Advocate. I am practicing District Court Delhi as well in Supreme Court of India. Today we'll discuss about bigamy 494. If husband, either husband or wife, in any one of them got second marriage and the case has been filed either by husband or as well as wife under section 494A 506. In that very situation, what will be the decision of the court, whether it's reliable, whether it will be possible to prove bigamy. Generally, it so happen when for example, a case has been filed by the husband against wife under Section 494A 506, and he says his wife got married, and after that, she threatened also and create a lot of nuisance, and that's why he's able to take criminal action against her and file for 94 case in the concerned court. But the court said the second marriage can be proved under section marriage act under section 5, which prove that whether they have complete all the liabilities of the marriage or not. Second marriage, there are certain rules and regulation where the marriage has to be proved. In bigamy case also, if the husband has to say is putting an allegation against her wife that wife has got second marriage, the court is asking whether he has got any proof whether she has gone according to Hindu marriage act. She has been married again as per Hindu ceremonies. She has taken seven step around along with her husband, and all the formalities have been done or not related to marriage, whether relatives, friends, his parents, their parents were present or not, and when they were going for four, five, seven steps. If these formalities are not done, then the marriage is not valid, because to prove bigamy for second marriage, it is very essential. The court requires gradient and proof, their photographs, their video recording, or their seven steps around as per Hindu Ceremonies Act. If it is not done, the marriage cannot be proved. Second marriage cannot be proved. If second marriage is not proved, then the court is not liable to give punishment either wife or husband who has ever gone for second marriage, to give them punishment as per law. And so the case was dismissed with default, because if it is not very essential when the husband or either wife got married and she goes to other state and staying either with husband or wife, and even having given birth to kids also, if they don't have proof, even they are sure they are got married but doesn't have proof, any photographs, any videos, or any they don't have any witness of any pandit or any relative parents who have seen her taking seven step around as per Hindu marriage ceremony, then it cannot be proved and the marriage will not be valid. So it is very essential to prove bigamy 494A that all the rules and regulation related to marriage, which is very essential as per Hindu law, to be fulfilled. So the case was dismissed with default. So it is not very easy to prove either husband or wife got married and in the concerned court that they have got second marriage. If you have any idea or suggestion about that, you can always share with me. My number is 9818 277 131. Feel free to talk to me, but with prior intimation. Thank you so much for listening to me. Thank you. Regards.